In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark an invoice as paid in Xero. This is one of the most important tasks when managing your business finances because it keeps your records accurate and ensures your cash flow is properly tracked. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and head to your dashboard. From the top menu, click on Business, then select Invoices. This will take you to a page where you can see all your invoices, including draft, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. Now, look for the invoice that is still unpaid or marked as awaiting payment. Once you find it, click on that invoice to open the full details. Inside the invoice view, go to the top right corner and click on the Add Payment button. This is where you'll record the payment you've received from your customer. A payment window will appear. Here you need to enter the key details. Start with the amount paid, then select the date the payment was received. After that, choose the account where the payment was deposited, such as your business bank account. You can also add a reference or note if needed to help with tracking later. Once you've filled in all the details, click Add Payment to confirm. If the full invoice amount has been entered, Xero will automatically mark the invoice as paid. You'll notice the status changes immediately and the invoice will move from the unpaid list to the paid section. If only part of the payment is entered, the invoice will remain marked as partially paid, which is also helpful if you're dealing with installment payments. A useful tip is always to double-check the payment details before confirming. Small errors in dates or amounts can affect your reports and reconciliation later. Also, try to record payments as soon as they come in. This keeps your accounts up to date and makes your end-of-month processes much smoother. And that's how you mark an invoice as paid in Xero. It's a simple process, but it plays a big role in keeping your financial records clean and organized. Thanks for watching. And now you can manage your invoices with confidence.